Welcome back to Low Stress Math with Mrs. Bono. We are on Lesson 1, Independent Practice with the Coordinate Plane. Directions, which you should always read. List each point and the quadrant or axis. That's for the first half. Plot the point and list the quadrant or axes. That's the second part. So, let's start with this. You need to look at this graph to answer these problems. So I am just going to start by graphing all of the points that they gave me. So I wish this graph was a little bit smaller, would probably be easier, but let's just do it. Point K is at +4, -2. And point L is +3, 0. 9, -5 for point M, -4, sorry, +7, -4, +6, 7 for N. O is at -4, -8, way down here. P is at 0, -6. P. 5, 4, +5, +4. Q. R is at -7, +2. S is at -3, -2. -3, -2. Letter S. Oh, I forgot to put the R on the -7, +2. And +8, +10. +8, +10, way up there for letter T. Everybody has a letter, we're good. All right, now I'm not gonna look at this, I'm gonna be looking at this page. And if this helps you, I put the quadrants, 1, 2, 3, 4. First move left or right, then move up or down. X is left and right, Y is up and down. Those are the directions for graphing on the bottom. X, left or right, Y, up or down. Now I'm going to move this out of the way. I'm going to be looking at it, but I want you to see what I'm writing, so I'm back over here. So point A is at -9, -9, 0. And that is on the x-axis. B is at +6, -6. And that is in the fourth quadrant. C is, where is C? E is at 0, +6, +5. 0, +5, and that's on the y-axis. D is at +3, +8, and that is in quadrant 1. Letter E is at -6, +9, and that's in quadrant 2. And let's see, what else have we got here? Letter F is -6, -5. And that is in quadrant 3. And G is at +8, +3, and that is quadrant 1. Move it up a little so you can keep seeing what we're doing here. Letter H is at +2, -7, and that is in quadrant 4. You know what I'm doing there. 4. Letter I is off the grid. That's kind of weird. Why is I off the grid? Oh wait, that's not an I. Still silly me. That's a Roman numeral 1. I is on the grid at -10, +5, and don't listen to me anymore. -10, +5. And that's in quadrant 2. And J is at -9, -9. and that's in quadrant 3. Okay, now to look at the points that we just graphed. Okay, well, actually, literally, K. K is already graphed, it is in quadrant 4. 30L is on the x-axis. 9, -5, also quadrant 4. -4, +7 is in quadrant 2, letter N. Letter O is in quadrant 3. P is on the y-axis. And I'm moving up so you can see everything. Here we go. And letter Q is at 5, 4. Where is Q? Oh, that's in quadrant 1. What am I looking at? -7, +2 is quadrant 2. Negative, quadrant 3. And 8, 10, quadrant 1. Okay, that wasn't horrible. Took a couple of minutes. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.